Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I am PassioKnit Kelsie, and today we are opening a bunch of yarn that I bought that I shouldn't have bought, but I bought anyway because it was Black Friday and it was on sale, and I have no self-control. So I have not that much, honestly. I have this is one order from Walmart, but they sent it to me in 3 different packages. So we got a little bit from Walmart, and this is from Hobby Lobby. This is not technically Black Friday, but it arrived late, so I'm just gonna open it with the Black Friday haul since I have the package here. And then I have a big box from Joannes and also a little bag from Joannes. I don't know why. We'll see what's in it. But yeah, so I just, Walmart, Joannes, and a little bit of Hobby Lobby, which was not really Black Friday. But I guess, well, I'm just gonna start with the Joannes because, it's here. So whenever I ordered from Joannes, all of their yarn was 30% off for Black Friday. So everything in this box was 30% off. Plus they had a 20% off your entire order coupon. So this was all 50% off in total, which I think is fantastic. Obviously, I buy a lot of Lily Sugar and Cream cotton, right? Okay, we all know that. And Lily Sugar and Cream cotton is very rarely on sale. And when it is on sale, I tried to get a lot of it because that's the main yarn that I use for my business. So yeah. We'll start with this little one, just cause. Okay, so this is Lily Sugar and Cream in the color Strawberry. And there's only one. There was only one in that bag. So that was super useful. Awesome. Okay, now onto the box. This box is gonna have the same thing, just a lot of it. Oh, okay. All right. Okay. All right. I'll start with some of the cones that I got. So I got 2 cones of Coral Rose, which is a pretty popular color, and they only started selling it in the cones recently, so I was like, I'm gonna go ahead and buy 2 at least. Is there 3 in there? No. Okay, so I got 2 of these cones. Beautiful. I also got a red cone because I always need red. I'm always using red. Next we have a purple haze. I really like this color because I love purple, and I mean, hello. Now I think the rest of this is just like regular 4-ounce balls of Lily Sugar and Cream. So I'm just gonna show you all the colors that I got and how many colors that I got. Oh no. Okay. All right, so to begin, I got 4 of these Lily Sugar and Cream, and they are in the color Denim, which is a super fun color, honestly. I've really been loving the fact that Lily Sugar and Cream has introduced a lot of new colors in the recent years. I think this is so fun. 4 of them. Next, I got 5 of these, which is the color Pretty in Pink. It's a beautiful, beautiful new pink that they added not too long ago, but it's a great addition because the hot pink is just like, very hot pink, and then the other pinks are very muted. So I think this is kind of like a perfect in-between medium color pink. To kind of go along with that, I got this color, which is called Berry Crush. I combined this color with Garden Party, and it looked really good. So I bought 6 of these to make a couple more tops. So it's really pretty, like plum purpley pink color. So okay. Next we have this one, which is 6 colors of Coral Seas Ombre. I think this is really pretty. It has peachy tones and green turquoise tones. I made one top with this because it was a custom order and they asked for this color, and then I just thought it was like really pretty, so I bought some more. I'm gonna make tops with all of these basically, so I don't know why I keep saying I'm gonna make a top. I bought 6 of these Soleil Ombre. They're so beautiful, so warm, so inviting. I love it. And then lastly in this box, I have 5 of these. Well, I had 4. I'm including the one in the bag that I opened first. I have 5 of these, but I know for a fact that I ordered 10 of them, so I guess the other 5 aren't here yet. Hopefully I'll see them at some point, and if I don't, then I'll have to be contacting Joannes. But yeah, I have 5 of them. Unfortunately, one of them didn't get a cover, and that's fine, because honestly with these ombre ones, I don't really match up the color lots, because since they're ombre and mixed color, it doesn't really make a difference. But yeah, I got 5 of these. I have been ordering so much of this color, it's crazy. So that was all of the Joannes, and we've got a beautiful pile forming back here. Next I'm going to open up this bag from Hobby Lobby. So like I said, this is not a Black Friday order. This was an order that I placed a while ago, but it was taking too long to get here, and the yarn was for a custom order. So I actually had to go to Hobby Lobby in person and buy the yarn, and now I have double the amount of yarn. But I made like a super cute cropped cardigan with it, and I can show it to you guys. So yes, yeah. I ordered 6 of these. So here they are. This is Hobby Lobby. I love this yarn, and the color is called Kaleidoscope. It's super bright, super bright, but like I said, this was for a custom order. And I had ordered it a while ago, and it was taking far too long to get here, and I was like, I really want to get started on this order, so I had to go in person in the store, buy it, because I went in person in the store I think maybe a week before that, and they were sold out of this color, so that's why I ordered it online. But then it was taking like just way too long to get here, so I had to go buy it again, and now I have a bunch of them because I ordered 6. I bought 6 in person, and then I used it to make a cute little crop top. But it only took 4, so now I have 6. I have 8 of them. So I don't know what to do with it. Maybe I'll make another crop top cardigan. Maybe I'll make a full-length cardigan, because I would get rid of more of the yarn. Yeah, it's very bright. It draws the eye. So 6 of those. Now all we have left is the Walmart stuff. I don't necessarily think that this yarn was on sale for Black Friday. This yarn is kind of on sale a lot, so I think it was just like on sale in general. But I got some Premier Puzzle yarn, because you know I love making cropped cardigans out of this stuff. And normally if you buy this like from actual yarn stores or Premier, the person that makes the yarn, it's a lot more expensive than if you buy it at Walmart, because I bought this at Walmart and this ball was $5, and anywhere else it's like between $10 and $15, which I think is so weird. But yeah, if you get it at Walmart, it's $5. So I got this color. It's called Cat's Cradle. I thought I ordered 3 of them, so there might be one in these other boxes, but for now we have 2 of them. It's just like a mix of pink and orange and gray, so. Also, this is like so soft. I think it's like the perfect 5-weight yarn. It's not heavy and it works up really, really nice. This is machine washable. That's not what I was looking for though. It should be 100% acrylic. Yes, it is. It is. This is more in a different color. This color is called Dominos. And I also love the fact that all of these are named after like games or puzzles, because it's called Premier Puzzle. So that one is Cat's Cradle, this one is Dominos, and then the other one that I bought is it's called Maze, I believe. Dominos is one of my favorite colors of all the Premier puzzles. Yeah, I got 3 of these ones. Now we're on our last box. Last but not least. Well, was it the least? It was not very expensive. All right, so this one has the maze color that I like, and then it also has the 3rd color of the Cat's Cradle, because I bought 3 of those. So this is the maze color. And the maze is like a beautiful mossy green. Just works up to be like so adorable. I've used this to make my cousin a long cardigan, like all the way down to like the mid-calf area. And then I also used it to make a little baggie to go along with it. And I thought it was really cute, so I'm gonna make another one and try to sell it. But that's all the yarn that I have to unbox for today. So overall, I think I probably spent around $200 for this, which is not really bad if you consider how much yarn that I have. Anyway, I want to say thank you guys for watching. I hope you had a fantastic Thanksgiving if you celebrate that. And let me know what you guys got for Black Friday in the comments. I would love to hear your hauls, even if it's not yarn, just like anything. I love sales. Let me know. And if you're new here, subscribe, give the video a thumbs up. That helps me. And yeah. Bye.